Hey, it's Jeremiah with Warmboard. Out in Solana Beach, California, just north of San Diego. Had a wonderful little project here. I was just spending time with Gunther, the homeowner. He was doing the panel installation himself. So we're just going over some routing, some tubing install, just going over the final details of what to get prepared for as this contractor with Steel Builders takes over. Wonderful project, can't wait to see it come together. Whole home, 5 zones. We're looking at about 1,600 square feet home, but great for a nice coastal community home here.